This is how long it's gonna take you to burn fat, build muscle, fix that injury, and become the best version of you. I don't know. And the truth is, no one really does. I mean, trainers can give you an estimate based on your workout plan, your diet plan, and your body type, but no one really knows for sure. And you can't really account for those ups and downs in your journey, days where you're extremely disciplined and times when you're not. But the unknown should not stop you from starting your fitness journey. I know that you're hoping to hear is gonna take 1 month, 3 months, 1 year to becoming the best version of you. But it might take 1 year, 3 years, 5 years. And even if it does, don't let that deter you. You're headed in that direction anyway. God permit you're still here 5 years from now, you get to decide today whether in those 5 years it's gonna be 5 years of progress or 5 years of staying the same or getting worse. So no matter how long the doctor or your trainer will tell you it's going to take, the best decision that you can make is to start today. You totally got this and you always will.